probably blast out a slam and end up in a good spot. But I do want to give you what I consider to be the ideal auction on this hand, the most careful, informative, and scientific auction. And this was, as we hinted earlier, an opportunity to use your minor suit transfer and then make a slam try. So it's the East cards that are on the bottom. That's the hand that opens a no trump here. No interference from the opponents. And so West, you've got this great diamond suit, and you have enough strength and a little bit of shape with a singleton heart that I think you would be interested in a diamond slam, especially if partner liked your diamonds, right? So after 1 no, 2 no, remember 2 steps available. 3 clubs would just be artificial and alertable and say, partner, I'm not into your diamonds so much. And 3 diamonds would say, I like him. So what are you doing with this hand? You like him, right? I hope you like him with ace jack third. That's a very good holding. So in theory, West, you could go into minor wood at this stage. I would actually opt for a more complete description of the hand. And I don't remember if we talked about this, but did we discuss what a new suit was at the 3 level? 3 of a major
Patterning.
on a minor suit?
Pattern?
Shortness.
Shortness.
3 hearts or 3 spades. The standard treatment is, okay, partner, you like my diamonds? If you like my diamonds, I'm interested in slam. Here's where I have a singleton. What do you think about that? Not a cubit per se. You're not cubiting strength. It's normally shortness.
Is that
Okay,
a
so
splinter?
what's that?
Is that considered a splinter?
Well, it's not a splinter per se, but it's a shortness, which sounds synonymous, but splinters is really for different types of auctions. If you want to call it a splinter, you can. Okay, so now after at this stage, East, I think you like your hand. Now, you may not love the King of Hearts, because the King of Hearts opposite shortness is probably not a very useful card. On the other hand, you've got some other controls in it. So I would not be giving up on slam, and I would cubit. So I would cubit the ace of spades, because that is something that West probably wants to hear about. So West, once you've heard the spade cubit, and since you're looking at the king, this has got to be the ace, right? You say, okay, we've got first and second round spade control. We've got second round heart control. You don't know if your partner has the ace of hearts or not, but you're not too worried, right? Because you can't lose more than 1 heart. You've got great diamonds, and partners said they like diamonds. Well, partner has to have the ace of diamonds, right? I mean, a partner wouldn't be super accepting your diamonds with jack third, right? So you're like, okay, partner's got the ace of spades, the ace of diamonds, and that's only 8 points out of a no trump opening, so there's got to be more stuff over there, right? And oh, by the way, you're looking at ace, queen, 10 of clubs. So at this stage, you probably don't need to do any more cubiting. I think you probably know what you need to know.
Where does it show that the opener is super accepting the diamond?
Right here, 3 diamonds,
As opposed to?
3 clubs. Remember, the in-between step is I don't like it.
Oh, I
Bidding
see.
the
Right,
minor
yes.
is I do like it.
You're right.
I don't
Yeah.
remember the end.
So at this stage, now I think I would be going into my minor wood, because now really all you care about is key cards. This is going to be a much easier proposition for West to take control, because West is looking at the queen of trump, right? That helps matters. So you ask for key cards, and your partner is going to show 2 key cards without, right? So hearts, spades, 4 no is the response, correct?
But somebody else has to do that.
Okay, well, partner shows 2 key cards. You have 2 key cards in the queen. You are missing a key card. You're not going to look for a grand. And now you can just bid 6 diamonds. and the hand record may say that 6-no works. I don't necessarily think I'd want to be in 6-no. It works, but I think 6 diamonds is going to be a lot more comfortable. And notice that the play on this hand is going to be really easy. You'll probably get a heart lead, and that will knock out the ace at trick 1, and then when you win your king, you could just throw away a spade loser from dummy, right? As soon as you get in, you'll draw trump,